Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, we were discussing chapter number 5, Struggle for Pakistan, and we had started our discussion with Lahore Resolution. Initially, we had discussed the background of Lahore Resolution, then what was the text of Pakistan resolution. Then we had seen the reaction of Congress and the British government out of it. Then in the next phase we had discussed the Cripps proposals. In these Cripps proposals we had seen the background, then the proposals sent by the Cripps, and then the reaction of the Congress and the Muslim League. Afterwards, we had seen the two movements started by Mr. Gandhi, that is Quit India movement and Civil Disobedience movement, but it was not promoted. It was not promoted, and Mr. Gandhi, he was put behind the bars. And then Mr. Rajgopal Acharya, who was the leader of Congress from Madras, he formulated the proposals, clear, and then we had discussed those proposals. And after this Rajgopal Acharya formula or CR formula, it was failed, clear. And what was the reason of the failure of this formula? It was its modus operandi was not clear, means methodology was not clear. So there was unvarying procedure, so it was not given importance. Now today we are going to discuss the Jinnah Gandhi talks 1944. Jinnah Gandhi talks, they were held on September 9 to 27, means they started from September 9 to September 27, 1944, to resolve the political problems of India regarding independence. Jinnah Gandhi talks, they were held between Mr. Jinnah and Mr. Gandhi, and the major purpose was to solve the political problems of India, clear. And the major problem of the political problem of India was regarding independence. CR formula came under discussion, and Gandhi was not ready to accept two nation theory. He was not in the favor that Hindus and Muslims, they are two different nations, and he was not in the favor to give them independence and to have their independent life. And the division of India, whereas Quaid-e-Azam was not ready for the independence of India before partition, clear. So he was, both of them, they had contradiction. When Mr. Quaid-e-Azam, he asked Mr. Gandhi to sit together as leader of Congress and as leader of Muslim League and have some solid discussion, and will think about that Muslims, they are and Hindus, they are two different nations, and both of them, they would work together for having the discussion on partition. But Mr. Gandhi, he was not in favor, and he said, let them go, let the British government be off from here, and then we will sit together and we'll talk about the division, and we'll talk about the Muslims and Hindus division in the subcontinent. So Quaid-e-Azam adjudged that the style adopted by Mr. Gandhi is not fair, it is not clear, it is just cheating, it is just hypocrisy, it is just cunningness which Mr. Gandhi is going to make over there. So Quaid-e-Azam was not ready for the independence of India before its division. Thus the talks failed after 2 weeks of negotiation, after 2 weeks of discussion. These talks, they were failed, clear. So this is what all about Mr. Gandhi Jinnah talks. Now you will do a short question with it. What were Jinnah Gandhi talks? Clear? What were Jinnah Gandhi talks? You will mark its answer from here, Jinnah and Gandhi, till this line, after 2 weeks of negotiation. So this is what all about today's discussion and the written work. And do your work on daily basis, don't pile up your work. I am taking you very slowly so you would not be overburdened. but do it on the regular basis. Clear? Thank you girls and take care. Allah Hafiz.